Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to live stream a pre-recorded video on YouTube. Make sure you follow each step carefully. First, open your browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are signed into the correct account you want to stream from. After that, look at the top right corner and click on the Create icon. From the menu, select Go Live. This will open the YouTube Live dashboard. On this page, you will see two main options. One option lets you schedule a live stream, and the other lets you go live right now. For this tutorial, choose the option to go live now. Click on Start, and YouTube will ask you to choose how you want to stream. Here, you need to select streaming software. This option is important because we are going to use a program on the computer to send a pre-recorded video as a live stream. After selecting streaming software, you can set things like title description, visibility, and monetization. If you want ads on your live stream, you can turn on monetization here. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Now leave this page open and move to the next step. On your computer, open a new browser tab and search for OBS Studio Download. OBS Studio is a free software that lets you stream and record video. Go to the official OBS website and download the version for your operating system. Install the software, and once the installation is done, open OBS Studio. When OBS opens, you will see the main interface with different panels. Before we stream anything, we need to add our video. First, make sure a scene is selected. If there is no scene, you can add one using the plus icon in the Scenes section. You can name it anything you want. Now move to the Sources section and click on the plus icon. From the list, select a media source. You can rename the source if you want, so you remember what it is. Click OK and a new window will open. In this window, click Browse and select the pre-recorded video from your computer. Once selected, click OK and the video will appear in the preview area. You can resize or move the video to fit the screen. Next, we need to connect OBS with YouTube. In OBS, click on Settings, go to the Stream tab. Under Service, select YouTube RTMPS. If you do not see it right away, click Show All and scroll until you find YouTube RTMPS. After selecting it, go back to your YouTube Live dashboard in the browser. On the YouTube Live page, you will see a stream key. This key is private and should not be shared. Click Copy to copy the stream key. Go back to OBS and paste this stream key into the stream key box. Once pasted, click Apply and then click OK. Everything is now set up. To start streaming your pre-recorded video, click Start Streaming in OBS. OBS will now send the video to YouTube as a live stream. Go back to your browser and you will see that YouTube shows your stream as live. After a short delay, your pre-recorded video will start playing live on your channel. While the stream is running, you can monitor the connection status from both OBS and YouTube. When your video finishes, or when you want to stop the live stream, go back to OBS and click Stop Streaming. You can also end the stream from the YouTube dashboard. That is how you can live stream a pre-recorded video on YouTube using OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.